To fix a riding lawnmower that won't turn over, there are several potential issues to consider. The first step is to identify the root cause of the problem, which could be related to battery issues, fuel problems, or spark plug issues. Checking the battery is a good place to start, ensuring it is fully charged by testing its voltage with a multimeter. A good battery should have a voltage of around 12 volts DC. If the voltage is low, attempting to jump-start the battery may resolve the issue. But if it fails to charge, replacing the battery may be necessary. Additionally, cleaning any corroded connections and tightening loose cables can help. If battery issues are not the cause, inspecting the fuel system is the next step. This involves checking that the tank has sufficient fuel and ensuring the fuel lines are clear of blockages or leaks. If the fuel is stale, draining the tank and refilling it with fresh gasoline may be necessary. If neither of these solutions works, the spark plug may be the culprit. Located at the front of the mower, the spark plug can be accessed by removing the wiring and then the plug itself. If the spark plug is dirty, using a wire brush and spark brake cleaner to remove the dirt, followed by drying it with a clean cloth, may fix the issue. However, if the spark plug is damaged or burned, installing a new one is the best course of action. By following these steps, it should be possible to identify and fix the problem, getting the riding lawnmower turning over again.